Everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk. If you're looking to play music from a USB in your car, you've come to the right video. So today I'm not only going to show you how to create the USB and put music on it, I'm also going to go out into our Chevy Cruz, a 2014 Chevy Cruz, and show you that it works without doing anything else. Anyways, let's get to it. Let me show you really quick how to create this device. So you're just going to get any old USB, 2.0, 3.0, doesn't matter. And then go ahead and click on the File Explorer and then scroll down so you can see this PC, or just click on this PC if you can see it already. Now just go ahead and insert your USB, and a window will probably pop open, but go ahead and close it. And literally you're going to just find your drive, and if there's stuff on it, um, fair warning, once we format it, it's going to be gone. So if you need to save it, now's the time to do it. But you're going to right click, hit format, and then you're going to select the FAT32 option. Now, if you do not have the FAT32 option, no worries. I got a link down in the description, and it's a free application. It will show you exactly how to get past this. It's really simple. Don't worry about it. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. So go ahead and hit start for those of you that have FAT32 available. And it's pretty quick because it's already done. So we're going to go ahead and hit close, and now we're ready to just transfer some files over. So now I'm going to go into my downloads because that's where I downloaded them. Now to make it easier on yourself, I put them all in one folder. If you have them on a CD, I also have a um, a video that will show you how to put them from your CD onto a USB. So that link will be in the description as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a few, 3 or 4 or 5 of these, whatever. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight one. I'm going to hold Control down, and then I'm going to select these 5 here. Now I'm going to just right click, and I'm going to go to copy. Now, if you have them in the same folder, you can just do Control A, and that will highlight them all, and then you can copy them. So now I'm just going to go to the back arrow, and I'm going to double click on the D drive because that's my thumb drive. And I'm going to right click and hit paste, or you can do Control V. Either one will work. And you can see I just got a mixed variety. Now, if you're interested in where I got this mixed variety, I will have a link in the description below that you can check out. And you can download those for free. All right, so that's pretty much it. So now let's take this out to the Chevy Cruz. All right, so here we are in the 2014 Chevy Cruz. The ignition is in the on position. I don't have the car started. And in this middle console, most of you will have at least 1 or 2 ports in here. And I'll unplug it to show you. But go ahead and plug your USB in here. And most likely, once you plug this back in, it most likely will automatically detect it and start playing the USB. But if it doesn't, on the stereo itself, click the CD auxiliary button until you see USB come up, and that's it. All right, thanks for watching.